for me. It's everything for me. You walk a queen.
So this is Aushow hair. This is the hair straight out the pack. Has a beautiful lace on it. This is a closure wig. It does come pre-plucked, but not too much. I am going to go in and pluck it myself. This is the inside of the cap. It comes with 4 combs. It does come with an adjustable strap in the back where you can move these and make it tighter or looser. And it also comes with a little lace in the back in case you want to wear it into a high pony. But yes, this is the hair. This is 18-inch deep wave hair. Nice curl pattern. And we're about to color this hair, so let's just get right into it. So now I'm going to take my quick glue and some 40 volume developer, and I'm going to mix it together so that I can get the hair processing started.
Take my mind, sip the dick and step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need west now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from choosing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. So I'm trying to be with no sense, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of those things, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, can't keep us holding me. Choose the rest, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my arm, I feel it, a smile. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good days living in my mind. Oh, me, I'm my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you live me. Feel like Jericho, feel like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my own course to be alone.
Now I'm just making sure that it's even at the roots because I'm not going to bleach the roots.
Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep from losing the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I reason no sense, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of those things, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, can't keep us holding me. Choose the rest, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my arm, I feel it, a smile. I still wanna try, still believe it.
Okay, you guys, this is the hair after I got done rinsing the bleach out. I have not added any product to this hair. It turned out really, really pretty. I've already plucked the lace a little bit. Not too much. Since this hair did come pre-plucked, this is how much hair I plucked out. And it looks really, really good. The 4x4 closure wig. And I've already pulled out my baby hairs. Haven't put any product in this hair at all, besides me bleaching the hair and rinsing it out, deep conditioning. This is just how the hair is in its natural state. This is deep wave hair, 150% density, and this is an 18-inch and it falls about here on me. The color turned out bomb. So now, let's get into this install. I'm gonna be taking my wax stick, and I'm just gonna slick. Now I'm gonna hot comb the top and get it flat as possible. Now I'm going to take my cotton swab and some alcohol and clean off my forehead so that I can lay the wig down. I'm going to be using Got To Be glue and my blow dryer to secure the wig. Now I'm going to be cutting my baby hairs. Now I'm going to be cutting the lace off. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm going to bump my edges so that it'll be easier for me to swoop. Now I'm going to be taking this Talia mousse to swoop my edges. Now I'm going to tweeze the hairs to make them a little bit thinner. Now I'm going to be adding some face powder to the part to make it look more natural. have to show you guys. This is how the hair turned out. Really, really pretty. Beautiful wig from Aushow hair. I love this color. It's great for fall. And this is a medium size cap. I'm going to leave the hair link down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.